Avalanche. You said Whitney. Man, they just left. They never gonna make it down the mountain in time. They'll be caught in the avalanche. Come on.
It's an avalanche! Oh my God, it's coming straight for us! Oh my gosh, what do we do? Oh my gosh, it's almost on top of us!
Teresa! Teresa! We're there! There! Oh, God, no. Teresa! Teresa! Whitney! Teresa! Teresa! Whitney! Teresa! Whitney! They're not in here, man. They're not in here. Where are they? I don't know. Maybe they got out and started running before the avalanche hit them. Which way did they go? I don't know. Whitney! Teresa! Teresa! Whitney! Over here! Over here! Teresa! Help me out! Teresa! Is she okay? Okay? I don't know. Teresa! What was that?
Help! Help!
Whitney! Whitney! Teresa, I'm here. You're safe now. I'm gonna get you warm. I'll get you home and get you warm. I shouldn't have left you. I shouldn't have let you leave at the cabin. If anything happens to you, I'll never forgive myself. You're gonna be... Teresa, you're gonna be okay. God, she's not breathing. Come on, Teresa, breathe. Oh, come on, baby, that's a girl. Breathe, baby.
I love you. I've always loved you.